In our previous class, we learned that a force can be defined as a push or a pull in a particular direction. It has the ability to change the position of an object, bring about change in the motion of an object, change the shape and size of an object. As I mentioned earlier, there are two types of forces: contact forces and non contact forces. Contact forces are those forces that are experienced by bodies when they are in physical contact with each other. For example, the muscular force. Here, two men are pushing this box. The force that is exerted due to the action of their muscles on the box is the muscular force. Frictional force. Frictional force is the force that is acting opposite to the direction of motion. For example, this box is being moved and the frictional force is exerted on it in the opposite direction. Non contact forces are those forces that are experienced by bodies even if they are not in physical contact with each other. Some examples of non contact force are magnetic force. This is the force that is exerted by the magnets. The nails are being attracted by the magnet due to the magnetic force. Electrostatic force. This is the force that is exerted by a charged body on another charged body. For example, you take a comb and rub it on your hair and take tiny bits of paper, and these tiny bits of paper get attracted to the comb because of the electrostatic force. The gravitational force. It is the attractive force exerted between two objects, and this is also the force exerted by the earth. So, the difference between the contact force and the non contact force is: contact force is the force which acts directly touching the object, whereas the non contact force is the force which acts from a distance without directly touching the object. Normal force. Normal force is the support force exerted on an object which is in contact with another stable object. For example, if we keep a book on the table, in terms of physics, we say that the book is resting on the table. And then the surface, that is the table, exerts an upward force upon the book in order to support the weight of the book. This force is termed as the normal force.